the morning and pour it away. If I gave you the sunset, you wish for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave you the ocean, you complain about the waves. Guess there's nothing, feels like I'm not doing this right.